Hey builders, Daniel from Toybox here, and today we're putting our skills to the test and swinging for the greens with this awesome new play pack, Mini Golf. Let's get started. As always, let's see what's inside. We've got felt, mini golf balls, sticky dots, pipe cleaners, felt strips, and the boards. Now, let's get started. Begin by peeling off one edge of the felt greens. Just pull off a little bit and then carefully stick it to the board. It's okay if it's not perfect. Once you stick it on the board, gently pull off the backing while laying the felt down. Then smooth it out if there's any bumps. Oh, and don't forget to recycle the paper backing. Do the same thing for the other two boards. Next, we're going to connect our boards together to make our putting green. Make sure you printed enough connector pieces. You'll need 4 corners and 4 edges. Simply slide the pieces onto the corners of the board and connect the boards together. Next, we need to make a fence so our golf balls stay inside our putting green. This is where the pipe cleaners come in. Wrap the pipe cleaners around the poles of the connector pieces. To connect 2 pipe cleaners together, simply twist them, as shown here. Continue with this until you have a fence surrounding your green. We don't want our golf balls to get out. Now the really fun part. Build your mini golf course. Make your own course from scratch or try one of our provided course layouts. Place the sticky dots on the indent under each piece and then stick the pieces to the green. That way they won't move around. Rearranging is also super easy. Maybe you want to build your own obstacles? Head over to the creator space in the Mini Golf Play Pack section to get started. Choose a base and draw your own obstacles. Have fun with it. Oh, and don't forget all the awesome golf clubs. Pick your favorite and get to putting. Wait a minute, want even more fun? Remember those felt strips? Print out a Velcro obstacle and really make your putting green come to life. And that's it. Explore amazing and unique creations and make a course like no one else's with the Mini Golf Play Pack.